Hello everyone, Paul Rogers here. Today is January the 2nd, 2019. We are looking at the Ethereum to US dollar 4-hour chart. Now, Ethereum is a currency I've been in the last couple of weeks saying, hey, Ethereum's looking bullish, buy it, it's heading over $1,000. In yesterday's video, I was pointing out that Bitcoin was on a bit of a downtrend, and so was Litecoin and a lot of the other coins, where Ethereum was holding ground pretty well. It wasn't on a downtrend, it was sideways. And I basically stated that once the market stabilizes and Bitcoin stabilizes, Ethereum will actually pump and head up over $1,000. And I was even thinking in the next month it would be over 1,000, or it would reach 1,500 per Ethereum. And it was pretty crazy because a couple hours after I made the video, Ethereum did actually spike up and reach new all-time highs. Right now, Ethereum's consolidating just a bit. I still see things as bullish for Ethereum, and I do predict that Ethereum this week will be well over $1,000. So congratulations to those who picked up some Ethereum before Ethereum had this nice little jump yesterday. I'm seeing a chart pattern develop though. It could break up further to the upside. It looks like there's an uptrend here, or trend channel I should say, and it's getting some resistance right there. And this is a very strong resistance because it's basically the all-time high. So if Ethereum does break out of this, expect Ethereum to go to 11, 12, 1300 pretty easily without a lot of resistance, especially if there's some positive news regarding Ethereum. Now, I've seen some positive things in the Bitcoin charts. Bitcoin has kind of leveled off and it's no longer in this downtrend, it appears. And I see Bitcoin having a good chance of heading higher. Dash, I want to say that Dash also looks even more bullish than Bitcoin. And I expect Dash to head back up towards all-time high, I don't know, over the next couple weeks. Also, I just got a notification that Amanda B. Johnson, which is Dash's spokeswoman, she just made a video for Dash. It looks like she's back on the map. So I expect Dash with Amanda B. Johnson back on board to be heading higher, especially since Evolution's coming out soon. I'm very bullish on Dash. If it's between buying Dash and Ethereum, right now, today, I would probably invest more in Ethereum because I think Ethereum's about to break out to new all-time highs. But I do see Dash smashing 2,000 this year for sure. So I do see Dash doubling in price, but I also see Ethereum smashing 200 as well. 2,000, excuse me. I hope I said 2,000 for Dash as well, not 200. So those are two amazing currencies that everyone should have some exposure to, Dash and Ethereum. Bitcoin's gonna have its run. It's just that right now people are exploring other things. Bitcoin had a huge run up. It's consolidating, and I do believe Bitcoin will reach new all-time highs. I can't say exactly when though. The charts just aren't as positive for Bitcoin as they are for Dash and Ethereum as of right now. So I guess we're kind of in a holding pattern for Bitcoin. I don't think you should sell your Bitcoin, and you should maintain exposure to Bitcoin. I just don't think it's going to be give you the same percentage gain that Ethereum and Dash will give you as of right now. Later today, I will be making some more videos. I want to make a video about Ledger and Trezor hardware wallets because I'm now familiar with both. I own a Trezor and I just purchased a Ledger, and I've been playing around with them and the difference in functionality, and they're both really great hardware wallets, and I want to make a video about that. I also want to make a video about lending platforms. As you know, I've made videos about BitConnect and ETHConnect, and kind of looking at how they work, why they work, and talking if they're a scam or not, that sort of stuff. And I want to do a comparison between Ethland and BitConnect. I think that would be very valuable. So expect that to be to happen sometime later this week. Let me know in the comments section if you have any other ideas for videos. I want to technical analysis is the main subject that I cover, when to buy, when to sell, and my general thoughts on the market. But I also feel that I want to kind of branch out and make a couple videos regarding various things. Anyhow, Paul Rogers out.